Before we can write a proof, we need to understand how to justify the steps in a proof. And so Alex gives us this lesson, Introduction to Proofs, Justifying Statements. So in this lesson, we're given an entire proof with just the statements unjustified. And we're just asked to go through and justify each of the statements. So this first statement says that angle PTR, that's this angle, its measure is equal to the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2. Now why would that be? Well, it looks like if I put together angle 1 and angle 2, I get that angle PTR. So I'm going to look through my possible reasons and see if I can find something that looks like that. Let's see, maybe I don't remember what one of these is. Maybe it's addition and subtraction properties. I click on the question mark. Oh no, that says if I have two things that are equal, I can add the same thing to them or subtract the same thing from them. Substitution, no, I'm not substituting anything. Angle addition property. So if I have an angle and a point on the interior, then the big angle is the sum of the two little angles. That's the kind of statement I'm making here. That must be the angle addition property. Now the second statement says that angle STQ is angle 2 plus angle 3 in measure again. So STQ, that's this big angle. Okay, I'm adding together two little angles that are next to each other again. That must be the angle addition property again. Okay. Now, it also says angle PTR and angle STQ are equal. How do I know that? Oh, that was given to me. I was told in the problem that those angles are equal. When it's something that you were given, the reason you know it's true is that you were given that to begin with. Okay, so now here's a tricky bit. Right. I want to say that this expression is equal to this expression. Okay, well, we've seen this angle 1 plus angle 2 before. And we know it's equal to PTR. And we've seen this angle 2 plus angle 3 before. It's equal to STQ. Oh, but then we know that those two are equal. So thing 1 is equal to thing 2. Thing 2 is equal to thing 3. Thing 3 is equal to thing 4. Therefore, thing 1 is equal to thing 4. What is that? Is that transitive? That could be transitive, except we'd have to stop off in the middle, right? We'd need another line to use the transitive property. What about substitution? Thing 1? Thing 1 is equal to thing 2. Thing 3 is equal to thing 4. That looks like these two lines. And now we have a third line where if we substitute in this expression and substitute in this expression, we get this equation. I think that's what we want, that substitution property with 3 lines. What are the 3 lines? Line 1, line 2, and line 3. So we're using line 1 and line 2 to get our substitution going, and we're substituting those into line 3. Okay. How do we go from line 4 to line 5 then? It looks like to go from line 4 to line 5, we just throw away the angle 2's on both sides of this equation. We can think of that as subtracting angle 2 on both sides. That's our addition and subtraction property. Okay, let's see if we got that right. We did. Okay, so those justifications work for us.